Scooby Doo, Where Are You, the theme song on the ukulele. Before we get started, if you guys need ukulele strings or capos or anything like that, I have all that stuff in the description below, the stuff I actually use. Now, let's get started with the chords. We'll go over the strumming pattern so you can be able to play this song. The chords for the verses, it's going to be an A chord to a B minor to an E to an A. And you just repeat that. A, B, E, A. Then the chords for the chorus. The you know we got a mystery to solve, so Scooby Doo, get ready for your act. It's going to start with a D. Then you're going to go to an A chord. Then you're going to play a G, back to an A. Then you're going to play a D chord, and then an E chord. And then you're going to end it on a D. Those are all the chords you need. Now let's go over the strumming pattern to use. Up, down, up, catch all the strings. Up, up. Up, down, up, catch. Up, up. Up, down, up, catch. Up, up. So it looks like this. Slow. So Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Then for the chorus. Down, up, 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 down, up, up. And then for the don't hold back, it's just downstrokes. Don't hold back. And then back to the strumming pattern. You know we got a mystery to solve, so Scooby Doo, get ready for your act. Don't hold back. And Scooby Doo, if you come through, you're gonna have yourself a Scooby snack. That's a fact. And then you go back to the verse chords and the strumming pattern for that. Those are the chords you need for this song. That is the strumming pattern that you need for this song. Like I said, if you guys need strings for your ukulele or capos or anything like that, I also have a beginner ukulele course. If you want to check that out, all that stuff's down there. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another one.